Still quiet across the area. Live look, Cumberland County and Crossville. Not emergency vehicles. We're doing some repaving, it looks like, of Main Street there while it is dry through the early overnight hours, but rain chances will return closer to daybreak there. Temperature-wise, 72, not bad there in Crossville. We're still 79, Knoxville, Maryville on the muggy side. And the humidity is starting to build in advance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. I've got this area highlighted here near the boot heel of Missouri. That's our weather maker for tomorrow morning. So let's kind of track it out from where we are now, and we'll take it into the early morning hours. Again, severe storms to our west, but I do think this line weakens before it gets here tomorrow morning. I still think there could be some gusty winds, maybe 30, 35 miles per hour, some wind-driven rain, and certainly some lightning with this. In fact, let's take a look. 3 o'clock in the morning, still pretty quiet, but here comes the lightning. Yeah, that's why I'm going to say Mother Nature's alarm clock. That's at 6 a.m. on the plateau, or 5 a.m. Central Time, and then that continues to roll through the valley as we go through late morning. So it could be a slow morning commute. Good idea to tune into Matt Condon first thing tomorrow morning. Good Morning Tennessee starting at 4:30. Good idea to grab the umbrella as well. High need for it with those high probabilities of rain coverage first thing on tomorrow. A little bit quieter as we head into early afternoon, but I do think there's another opportunity tomorrow evening. Starts to warm up. I mean, temperatures mid to upper 80s. That's close to average for this time of year, but tomorrow's heat index value, mid to upper 90s, if not close to triple digits. So all that heat, all that humidity building up could lead to a few scattered strong to severe thunderstorms later tomorrow afternoon through evening. I'd say especially between about 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. and especially along and south of I-40. Damaging wind gusts would be our biggest concern, so we'll keep an eye on that. The morning round, not severe, just noisy. The evening round could be. That's what we'll have to keep an eye on. Let's jump ahead to Friday. Could see again a round of some morning showers and rumbles. Not severe, maybe not as noisy and not as much. That moves through. We catch a little bit of a break as we go into the afternoon. That's midday. Still a few spotty storms late afternoon, early evening. Then we'll start to quiet things down. And that would be important, right? High school football, Friday Frenzy Live. Few storms possible in some areas as we kick off, but I'd say it's the exception rather than the rule. Still going to be warm. We're used to that, especially for the first couple of games of the season, right? But Alcoa Maryville is going to be fantastic for sure, regardless. We'll see a little bit of a dip in that humidity as we get Sunday into Monday. I think you're really going to notice it in the morning hours. It's going to be just fantastic the way it's going to feel across the area with mid-60s here in Knoxville and some low 60s closer to the Tennessee-Kentucky border. Daytime highs in the upper 80s. So we may actually squeak out 4 straight dry days as we go Saturday through Tuesday of next week. We'll take that. But again, don't forget the umbrella tomorrow morning. And if you hear the rumble, it could be early in the morning.